In this video we'll learn how to do conditional formatting in Excel. So this is the conditional formatting in home section. By using this we can format the data. I suppose this is the column which I want to format. I want to highlight some of the data, like suppose if some data is greater than 50 it should be highlighted. So I'll select this and condition and then highlight cells greater than, less than. Different conditions are there. You can use any of the conditions based on your preference. So I am writing greater than and then greater than 50. Okay, now you see all those rows which are greater than 50 are highlighted. If you have applied any rule, you can remove the which like clear rules, click on the selected tabs. This is one of the good feature. Now you see bar charts. If you don't want to show your numbers, and you can show it by relative reference. You see this. Now you don't want to show these numbers and you want to show this graph, you can select this and you can go manage rules and this edit rules. You can show bar only if you click. Okay, now this number is useful. Like suppose you are presenting Excel with salaries of different employees and you don't want to show that data in the presentation, so by relative graphs you can show it. However, these are just hidden from here and the number is still there. See, so this is just a way of representing. It's a very beautiful way to hide data that you don't want to show by presenting. Some other ways you can implement, you see conditional formatting. You have this icon sets also. Based on these icons you can represent the numbers. You see these numbers are represented, and these criteria also you can change. Like suppose I'm doing conditional formatting, I can manage rules and then edit rules. Now for this edit rule, this currently percentage, I'm going with numbers, number, and here also number. Now suppose a value 50 and 30. If a number is greater than 50, and they should be shown. If number is between 50 and 30, then they should be shown and respectively. So once you click OK and OK, you see a number is greater than 50, it's shown in green. 50 to 30, this and then this. So this you can show. It's very useful way of doing that. You can clear the rules from here. This is one of the formatting. The other formatting which is very handy in Excel is like this is demo. Now you want to align it center, so you can merge and center and show. So you can show that also. Suppose you want these all data be covered in a border, so you can implement borders, that all borders, thick borders, different borders, more borders are also there. You can see what kind of borders you need and implement that. So I'm going with this border. Okay, and you scroll down, it will show you the border. That's all. You say thick border, now it's thick border outside. So this is another way of formatting. Another very useful is wrap text. So when you can write this lot of data and you want to show it, then you can wrap text. You see this data is already wrapped. You can insert images also here, like there, and insert, and you see illustrations. You can insert various shapes. You can insert models, icons, pictures also. You can go with online pictures. So it's a very handy tool for formatting. That's all in this video.